Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to take the bus from Benalmádena port to Mijas Pueblo, a stunning whitewashed village perched in the hills. This affordable and scenic day trip is perfect for visitors. Let's get started. From Benalmadena, you have two bus options to reach Mijas Pueblo. The M121 bus, which runs more frequently. The M112 bus, which has fewer departures but follows the same route. Both buses stop at Benalmadena port and cost just €2 each way. The ride takes about 1 hour as the bus travels through scenic coastal and hillside routes. Links to the timetables can be found on my website. Schedules vary throughout the day, with fewer buses in the evening, so plan ahead. Remember to track your journey using Google Maps for added peace of mind. Once you've boarded and paid the driver, you can relax and enjoy the views. The route offers glimpses of the coastline and winding roads leading to the beautiful village of Mijas Pueblo. The bus will terminate at Plaza Virgen de la Peña, the perfect starting point for your visit. Mijas Pueblo is a tourist favorite, known for its whitewashed charm, incredible views, and unique attractions. Begin your adventure at the Tourist Information Center, located just across the road from the bus stop. Here are some must-visit highlights. The Chapel of the Virgin of the Rock, a serene chapel carved into the hillside. The Bullring, a rare oval-shaped bullring with plenty of history. Scenic viewpoints, offering breathtaking vistas of the Costa del Sol and Mediterranean Sea. You'll also find plenty of artisan shops, restaurants, and cafes where you can relax and soak in the atmosphere. Returning to Benalmádena when it's time to head back, catch the M121 or M112 bus from the same spot, Plaza Virgen de la Peña. As with your journey to Mijas Pueblo, keep an eye on the schedule, especially in the evening when buses run less frequently. For more information, including detailed timetables and routes, visit my website. Conclusion: taking the bus from Benalmádena port to Mijas Pueblo is an easy, affordable way to experience one of the Costa del Sol's most charming destinations. At around €2 each way, this scenic trip offers incredible value and plenty of memories to take home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my website for more Costa del Sol travel tips. See you in the next video. Hey there, sun seekers. Planning a Costa del Sol escape? My website and YouTube channel have you covered with resort insights, attractions, local tips, and vibrant festivals, all topped with helpful reviews. Whether dreaming or ready to jet off, my site simplifies your journey. Scan the QR code for pocket-sized guidance on the go. Join the adventure. Explore the links in the description for an effortless Costa del Sol experience. Let's make your getaway memorable. Happy travels! Thanks for watching, and enjoy life.